Today, we review the best kitchen torch that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
GiBot Blow Torch Lighter. The body of this torch is made from highly durable metal and has a window that indicates how much fuel is left inside, helping you to never run out of fuel accidentally. The fuel gauge window is an essential feature to have since kitchen torches need to be refilled from time to time, and you would not want to risk running out of fuel in the middle of all the hassles going on inside the kitchen during, for example, a preparation for a big dinner party. To maintain a high level of safety, this torch comes with an anti-flare technology and a safety lock that has to be unlocked for the flame to come out.
Number 2.
Iwatani Pro2 Culinary Butane Torch. What we absolutely love about this product is the location of the flame controls on its body. When you look into this device, you will clearly see that the manufacturers have put a major focus on user-friendliness. Instead of using a separate trigger, you can turn the flame on/off simply using one knob, which also combines a button into it. All you need to do is to press the button to ignite the flame, and if you want to turn it off, you have to turn the knob counterclockwise.
Number 3.
Rsle Creme Brulee Butane Kitchen Torch. The sturdy torch comes with a safety plate that ensures it is firmly locked onto the canister and prevents it from toppling over, which might cause a mess in your working area. You can use its piezo ignition technology to easily switch the flame on when you press the trigger. One unique thing about this product is that it has separate knobs for flame intensity and flame shape. Techniques like charring, caramelizing and searing that involves a kitchen torch requires different intensities of flames, and the more control you have over the flame, and the better it is when crafting a sophisticated dish.
Number 4.
SMAGREHO Professional Kitchen Torch. The material this product is made of is the highest grade 18/10 stainless steel, and this makes the kitchen torch resistant to corrosion, heat damage and chemical damage, which is an important factor in the kitchen environment. The base has a topple-free design which makes it stand perfectly on your kitchen counter or table when it is not in use. If you are a parent, you might be worried about having a kitchen torch at your home where your children might accidentally lay their hand on try to play with it.
Number 5.
JB Chef Culinary Micro Butane Torch. The nozzle of the torch is made of stainless steel, which can withstand the high temperature of the flame and also is resistant to corrosion and chemical damage. The topple-free base of the torch is made from zinc alloy, adding a metallic appearance and sturdiness to the torch. The nozzle is angled so that the flame is kept far from your fingers, and the fire ignition knob is designed in such a way that you can continuously keep the flame turned on if you want to.